In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a tiny house at a very affordable price. This is the last video in a series of 4. In previous videos, I brought you some good points why you should get a tiny house to transform your life for better. This video is less about motivation and more about taking action. My name is Indrek and I'm the founder of Avrame, one of the leading companies in the world when it comes to A-frame houses. But we don't make only full-size houses. Together with an MIT architecture professor and her team of graduate students, we developed a tiny house called Solo Plus. Solo Plus brings together an A-frame shape and the concept of tiny house. Compared to our old Solo models, Solo Plus has more space inside, more height on the loft, more light inside. It's overall a better model. There are 3 models of Solo Plus. First, Solo 42. It's a tiny cabin, less than 200 square feet, and it doesn't have the bathroom, it's just one room, the cabin, and a tiny loft space. So if you need a shed or just a very minimalistic cabin, it's good for you. Then second, there is Solo 75. It's slightly larger and it does have the bathroom and bigger loft. Then the biggest model is Solo 100, Solo Plus 100. It has a bedroom, bathroom, living and kitchen area and pretty decent loft. So if you want to build a tiny house for living, Solo Plus 100 is your model. To make it really affordable, we took it one step further and made a set of work drawings and instructions how to make it yourself. This way you can get the full set of building documentation and instructions, source the materials locally. You can avoid the overseas transport cost and the markups of the factory manufacturing. This is without doubt the most affordable way to get your tiny house done. And people really love it. In October 2021, we launched the pre-sale of do-it-yourself construction plans of Solo Plus. And we sold about 300 copies in 2 weeks' time. That's in pre-sale, where you don't actually get the product immediately. That's 20 copies per day, 14 days in a row. Today we have all 3 products finished and ready. There are 3 models and some people have been hesitating which one to buy. We wanted to remove this hesitation, and that's why we created a bundle where you can get all the 3 models together, so you can decide later on which one to actually build. Also, while buying just one set of drawings gives you 1 license to build, in the bundle you get 2, so you can build even 2 of them. Today we are launching the bundle and we are launching it with a 25% discount from its full price. Plus we decided to throw in additional license in the bundle, so 3 licenses. Also, when you buy this week, you get 5 very useful mini guides which will help you to get this project done. They cover issues like land issues, building issues, heating, and so on. You can discover all those bonuses in our product page, and I will give you the link in just a moment. So when you buy this week, you get 25% off, 5 mini guides plus additional license in the bundle, so 3 licenses. For example, you can build double Solo Plus 100 and Solo Plus 42 for your storage needs. Be aware that, like every good thing, this offer doesn't last forever. The offer ends on Monday, February 28th, midnight Pacific time. To be very clear and to be fair to all the customers, when the offer ends, it ends. It means you will lose 25% discount, extra license, all these bonuses, these are gone. So take the action while you can to get the most out of your hard-earned cash. If you've been considering getting a tiny house into your life, or your life into the tiny house, this is the time. Or even if you have been considering building an extra space on your land or a getaway cabin to escape to, this is the best chance you are ever going to get to start this adventure. When you buy the do-it-yourself bundle, you will get the access to our private Facebook group with all the people who have already bought the Solo Plus DIY construction plan set. Now, understand that these are no ordinary people. These are people who have same dreams and same challenges as you, and they have chosen to embark this journey, not just to build that thing, but to transform their life for better. With the spring coming, a lot of them will start to build their own Solo Plus, and you can share your journey with them. There is really no better time to start this adventure. Remember, the offer expires on Monday, February 28th, midnight Pacific time. And when it's gone, it's gone. I'm going to leave you with a link to the offer, and I'll be waiting for you in that Facebook group.